Really? Hey, it's Candy. Welcome back to my channel. Thought I had something on me, but there's something on the viewfinder. This is Xavier.
Hi.
We are going to open a MunchPak box. The company was so nice to send it to me. So, let's get into it. MunchPak is usually snacks from around the world. And looks like we got the big one. Oh, stuff's falling out already! Ooh, I'm scared of that already. Okay. So this was packed by Elizabeth. This is the family pack. Alright, so what fell out is sour candy dough face twisters. These are from China. What I love about MunchPak is they always include where, like, the country of origin. These look gross.
That looks like my face is gonna melt off.
It literally looks like Play-Doh in a tube. But like...
Is that even edible?
Was this in my car for a little while? Lemon, blue raspberry, green apple, and strawberry. What flavor do you want to try?
Blue raspberry.
Yes. He knows what I like. Alright.
Start singing Bruno Mars for you.
Create, play, and eat. So it's almost like you're supposed to play with it.
Oh, the Chinese want us to play with our food. That's awesome.
Okay.
I support that.
So it does feel like Play-Doh.
Oh.
It smells so good.
Finally, I can eat Play-Doh without feeling guilty. It kind of tastes like fruit Play-Doh. I can't speak today.
Fruity Play-Doh.
Yeah.
I
My childhood is coming back to me. Now, is there any flavored glue in there?
Maybe. I mean, this box is huge. Yeah, okay. Oh, this just seems racist.
Oh no, it's...
Oh no, okay,
Fetty
it's Fetty Wap. Wrap snacks. Honey jalapeno. Fetty Wap. Nobody put me on. I got up and worked extremely hard for what I have. Nobody can take that from me. Fetty Wap. This is from the U.S.
And it is honey jalapeno flavor.
Honey jalapeno.
My gut's gonna hate me.
I don't care. You smell? Does it smell spicy?
No, it smells just like barbecue.
Yeah, it smells normal.
Alright. I can get down on these.
Yeah, they're not... The spice hits you a little bit.
It has a little bite to it, but I taste
But
more
it's
of the
mostly
sweetness.
barbecue, yeah.
Oh, there's the kick.
These aren't bad, you guys. I would eat Fetty Wap wrap snacks.
I might feel a little gangster afterwards.
What? Alright. These are from India. Lay's India's Magic Masala Chips.
I wonder what kind of flavor it's supposed to be.
Well, masala is like... I don't know, very... Indian food has a lot of spice in it. Like, not necessarily hot, but...
It smells interesting. I'm willing to try this.
like cumin and stuff.
That's an interesting flavor, but I dig it. Ooh, yeah, a little spice right there.
I don't know. The first taste is foot.
I don't taste that.
When I first put it on my tongue, it tasted like foot.
Well, how many feet have you been licking lately?
I mean, a few.
I mean, if you're into that, I'm not going to judge you.
I don't like that. Guess who's taking those home? Alright. Ooh, there's a soda.
Oh, heck yeah. I'm always down for... Oh, those are the shit. Excuse my French.
He was like, can I cuss? And I was like, let's keep it to a minimum. A super Kiwifruit, sour Ramyun carbonated soft drink. Let's bust this sucker open. Oh I break my nail, I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry for me, Argentina.
No, this is from Japan.
Oh.
What the, what?
Excuse me.
You're such a boy.
Yeah, use that to push it down.
How to open. Open off the seal lift off the cap and push the center to release the opener. Place the opener onto the top of the Ramyun bottle and press down firmly with your palm. This will open the bottle by dislodging the stopper. Keep pressing for 5 seconds. Remove the opener from the bottle and discard.
Push it real good. Oh.
It scared me. Okay. Alright. Oh, you guys didn't really get to see that. Basically, I just pushed that down, and now there's a marble in here. Or... it sounds like a marble.
Yeah. We're going to go with the general consistency. That's marble.
That's actually really good. It's sour, but not, like, offensively sour.
Yeah, I can get down on this.
That's good.
Good one, Japan. Thank
I
you.
could totally drink that. You sound like Logan now. Logan would be like, buy this. He cracks me up.
Shut up and take my money.
Oh, God, I hate sour. Okay, this is from South Korea, Orion, super sour candy.
Oh, goodness gracious, I feel the heartburn. Oh, goodness.
Ew, is it chewy?
It feels soft. It's hard but soft.
That's how I like my men.
Not too sour. Oh, crap. The flavor is there, but...
Oh shit, it just hit me. Oh my god, it's so sour.
I can get down on those. Those aren't too bad.
Bullshit. Okay, it's fine. No. It only lasted for like, I don't know.
A couple seconds.
Yeah. Not bad. Holy cow, there's a lot in here. Good thing we haven't had dinner yet.
Yeah, I don't mind this being my...
Okay, I'm not sure what this is.
That looks like a lollipop and it's mango flavored.
Was this... Did I leave this in my car? It's 10 pieces? Okay, it's... it's mango flavored Slaps lollipops from Mexico.
Oh, I'm usually not into Mexican candy, but I'm excited for this one.
Okay, so the instructions are to take the plastic wrap off, fold it over. Can you see the instructions? It doesn't really make sense to me.
They look like fruit roll-ups on a stick to me.
Yeah, they really do. Okay, so... Alright, so it showed taking the plastic off, folding it over, and then pulling this back up, and then going sideways. That's kind of what it looks like. He's so sticky! Oh, there we go. Okay, this makes a little bit of sense. So then you fold it over again.
It's an interactive dessert.
Wait, I'll take a bite and then you can have the rest. Oh. You got any loose teeth? They'll be gone after this. It's so sticky.
It's incredibly sticky. The flavor is there.
It's so sticking to my teeth, though.
Right?
Like, I think it pulled out a filling.
I don't think I can move this.
No. No. I'm not sure
Holy crap.
what I would do with these. They're very, very sticky. Very flavorful.
Yeah, the flavor's on point, but holy Moses, it's stuck in my teeth.
All right, since we're already in Mexico, let's do Cranky chocolate cornflakes.
Ooh. I can get
Cranky
down-
with a K.
Oh, snap.
So it's definitely for me.
Yeah, it's perfect. It has you all over
Because
it.
I am cranky all the damn time. Alright, put your hand up.
Please tell me this is not cockroaches or something.
It's cornflakes!
Oh.
Okay, so it looks, I guess, like chocolate covered cornflakes.
Not bad. I like it.
I actually wish there was less chocolate on there.
I honestly like it as it is.
I like cornflakes, though. Like plain cornflakes. Like, if I was going to choose a cereal, I would choose...
tastes like a thicker cornflake. Though.
Yeah. If I was to choose a cereal, it would be plain cornflakes. Because I'm weird. Alright. Yeah, let's go to Taiwan. We've got the Haichu watermelon flavor. Now, we've had Haichus before in other
Are you
boxes.
sure that's watermelon? Looks like grapefruit.
Did I say watermelon?
You said watermelon.
Grapefruit. Why I said watermelon?
You got watermelon on the brain.
Apparently. I don't even like watermelon.
You like watermelon flavoring.
Yeah, that's true. Alright.
And Haichus are delicious, so I'm excited.
They are,
about the
yeah.
flavor.
I feel like this box is, like, sour. Like, they want you to be sour.
Maybe they're saying you're a sour person or a sourpuss.
No, they said I was cranky. I'll kick you out of my house.
Seems legit.
I do like grapefruit. Like, flavor.
I'm not a huge grapefruit fan.
It's not that flavorful, though.
No, it's a subtle hint and it reminds me of Fresca.
Yeah! Totally. Totally Fresco.
Like, I would probably eat that whole package if you let me to.
Yeah. Yeah, I wish there was more grapefruit flavor in there. Alright, here's my alley. These are from Turkey. Ulker CZ salted cheese crackers. Crunchy and light salted cheese flavored crackers.
That'll balance out all the sweetness
shit.
we've had.
I nicked one.
Awesome, I get the broken one.
Well, you're broken. Ain't no cheese it. It tastes like a plain cracker.
Tastes like those club crackers from Keebler.
Like a cheap imitation.
Yeah.
Like the Walmart brand.
No, there's the cheese. It's kind of like a Parmesan type of cheese.
Yeah. Doesn't say what kind of cheese. I mean, it's okay.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
It's not something I would like. Be like, yo, give me those CZ crackers.
I'd probably just eat them when I'm stoned, not knowing what I'm eating.
I hate you. Okay. We're gonna go next to Poland. The Nutella Be Ready Bar. Crunchy bread-shaped wafers filled with sweet Nutella cream. I love Nutella!
Me too, so I'm actually really excited about this.
Oh, wait.
There's instructions, Christy. Candy, sorry.
It's okay. They know my name. Well, most of them do.
If they didn't...
Oh, they're individually wrapped, too.
Oh, snap.
Okay. I can feel that there's, like, segments, so we're only gonna open one. Oh, wow.
Oh, it looks like
It looks like French bread.
It does.
Oh, it breaks really easily.
Mm. Dear sweet Jesus.
Holy crap. I'll give you this one because I'm keeping the other one for myself.
That's fair enough. I will eat this with pride. Thank you, Poland.
That is the best thing I've ever had. It's
Out of
so
this
good.
box, this is my favorite.
For sure.
Well,
I mean,
so
we have
far.
one more thing, but... Oh my god. Have you ever had a Ferrero Rocher? Where if you take off the chocolate outside, you've got that ball of wafer, and then you've got the hazelnut cream inside with the hazelnut? Mm-hmm. That's exactly what this is. And it's so good.
No, like, it just doesn't have the chocolate on the outside.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, these are Happy Cow cream waffles. Soft and chewy butter waffles with rich caramel cream filling. He's so cute!
I do love cream filling.
Wow. He's not allowed on the channel anymore.
I'll behave.
Okay, so there's 2 in here. I think? No, there's
Looks like
4.
4.
I thought they were a sandwich. They're not crispy. I'll give you a bigger piece.
Alright, well, cheers.
Oh. For sure.
Another chewy thing. I'm not hating it. It's just lacking in flavor.
Yeah, you don't really taste anything.
What country is this from again?
Russia!
Ah, Mother Russia.
Oh my god. I don't know, like...
It's interesting.
You get the buttery flavor from the waffle, and it's almost like marshmallow inside,
Yeah.
but really thin marshmallow.
It reminds me of something. I just can't put my finger on it.
Your face. I mean, it's fine. Nothing exciting. So, this. Buy this. Buy this. Buy 1,000 of these. In the words of Logan, buy this. This is so good. This is my favorite thing.
My name is Xavier, and I approve this message.
You got stuff in your beard. The Fetty Wap chips were good. And this drink was good.
I really liked these chips from India. The magic masala chips. Anybody from India watching this?
Send me some.
Yeah, exactly. Send her some, and she'll give them to me. Because those are awesome.
Other than that, like, what was the worst thing?
The worst thing? I would have to say these.
Yeah, this was too sticky.
Yeah.
It was ridiculous.
And I'm actually not hating those sour ball things from South Korea.
Yeah, you can have the sour balls. In fact, I have some other stuff for you from a different box that I can give you before you go home. So, good MunchPak.
Very good MunchPak. Awesome.
If you guys want your own MunchPak, there is a link down below. And
Thanks for having me.
thanks for having you.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys.